Hi, this is Rais here from VR Design. Today I would like to discuss a new project like our upcoming project in Prestige Song of the South. It's a 2 BHK project and we have done couple of projects there already. Like we have completed two projects and two projects are like ongoing projects are there. I mean the execution is going on and this project we are like yet to start. So we will be starting in couple of days. So I thought I'll discuss about these projects like in detail, like what we have done, how we have arrived into this kind of design. This 2 BHK house is owned by Mr. Baswa and Miss Pooja. They had came here like through a reference actually. As I said, we have completed a project there and this they are like friends. So they had been here and we were discussing about the designs and things. So when they came here, they had some things in their mind. I mean like kind of they knows what they want, and Pooja were like okay, she wants something like that modern classic kind of touch, at least in the living dining that area from the entrance itself. So what we have done is like as soon as you enter the house, on the left hand side near the sofa I kept a small chest of drawer kind of thing, or we could call it crockery unit. And same thing, same unit I have done it in some kind of blue finish, blue color finish with some louvers, and to give that antique kind of look I have added a small golden kind of knob there. Then the top one is finished with some laminate finish, and above that we do have a small ledge with a wine glass holder. And when it comes to TV unit also, again, yeah, TV unit is something like in the initial discussion we were thinking like we'll do some kind of stone finish on the wall. Then what I have done is like when I was designing this one, this stone wall is like kind of common nowadays, that's what I felt. So it is like I have changed to some other like living, I mean the paneling I have done with some kind of MDF with Duco finish, Duco paint finish. Then we do have a small drawers below, two drawers are there as a TV unit just to keep some setup box and stuffs. And above we have added a ledge, and on the left hand side we do have a tall open shelves. This is like they do have like lots of books and they wants to store all these things in the living area. They just want to display the things. So and so I have done that left hand side shelf, and this is like completely metal structure with white color paint. Then I have added a small like shelf, open shelf with plywood and laminate. As soon as we enter this house now, on the right hand side we do have a small wall. There we can keep our shoe rack and things. So as it is a small wall, I have added a small shoe rack with a open kind of shelf in the bottom, so that the regular use things they can just keep it on the bottom and the other shoes they can keep it top. So it is like two shutter and two drawer. Adjacent to that we do have a small metal partition. Next to that metal partition I have kept a small stool where they can sit and wear shoes and things. Then behind this partition we do have a small puja unit. Again, when it comes to puja unit also, again we have to continue that theme, that kind of classic touch we have to give. So I have added a small legs, then above that a small pillar kind of thing, and the backside wall we have added a stone, I mean a nano white stone with the CNC lettering and all. That's how the puja unit is. Then next to puja unit we do have the dining table. Again, dining table, if you see the dining table, it's not like normal wooden dining tables or something. So what I have done is like to match with that theme, the legs and the frame I have added that shape is the older, the classic shape, but the color is like something blue color I have added. So next thing is like our kitchen. So when it comes to kitchen, the thing which I don't like is the tiles. I mean the wall tiles is provided by the builder, it is not that appealing. So basically I want to change the tiles, so that I have changed that, we are changing into some wooden kind of finish. Then granite we are retaining, the whatever we are having there that we are just retaining. But the thing is like sink where they have provided is in the kitchen, so that we have to shift to the utility area. And next to sink we have provided a space for washing machine. That's how it is. And when it comes to like natural lighting is comparatively lighting is very less in this kitchen, so we can't use a darker shade for kitchen or something. So we have used a light green or light green mixed blue kind of color here, a single color, we don't want to mix and match or something. And the left hand side we don't have much cabinets there, just a small cabinet next to fridge. Then open kind of shelf, I mean open shelf with some steel elements. That's what we have done it in the kitchen. And we do have a small two wicker baskets here. and chimney ducting, that is again we have to conceal, right? So what we have done is like we haven't added any like extra pelmet or something for that. What we have done is like we do have the overhead cabinets, that shutters, only the shutter height we have increased by 6 inches so that we can hide this chimney ducting and everything through that. That's how it is. So here is the second part actually. Here actually what we are going to discuss is about the bedrooms. We do have two bedrooms here. One is our master bedroom and the other one is our Arna's bedroom. That's the kids bedroom. So master bedroom, if you see, it's a simple one we just kept. We don't want to do like too many jazzy things or something there. So this is like as soon as you enter, on your right hand side you do have a two sliding panel, that is store wardrobe, and the bed, side table, a dresser and an open shelf, everything it is there on the right hand side. And on the left hand side we do have a study table. The study table is like for two people actually. So sometime they both works from home, so we need that two people study table there. And this is again a simple one. We haven't done many things here actually. If you see the wardrobe, it's a glass and laminate finish mixed one. And on the headboard wall also, bed headboard wall, we have just treated with some solid wood rafters, thin rafters, and we do have a leather headboard here and a box bed. This box bed is again with hydraulic storage. And on the left hand side of the bed we do have the dresser in the sense it's a side table come dresser. Then we have a full height mirror. From the dresser it is starting, I mean from the side table it is starting till the ceiling. Then we do have a full height open shelf also there, where we can have some, keep some cosmetics and some artifacts. It is like that. And the study table again we do have like two set of drawers. Then top we do have some bookshelf. That's how it is. This entire how, I mean the room theme is like something, the wood we are using a common wood for entire house, like living, dining, master bedroom, everywhere the wood is same. So it is like, yeah, it's a minimal thing, not many things are there. Even the fall ceiling is like simple as we have done it in the living and dining area. And next is our kids bedroom. This is our Arna's bedroom actually, and this is, we want to make it like as beautiful as possible, but in a simple way, because we wanted to give her as a nice look, nice, I mean the a nice theme inside this room, because she should love this actually. But when we show these things, no, actually she loved it. The stickers, wall stickers, everything. But in this room we have done like many experiment in the sense like structure wise everything were same from the beginning, but we were like experimenting on the colors, like which combination should give. Then finally we have arrived into this light blue color, blue and white combination. So the walls we have just kept it simple, just added some stickers like minions and those which kids mostly loves. And on the right hand side we do have the wardrobe. This wardrobe also again we don't want to do the usual structure or something. So in the middle we have done an open shelf where she can store her toys or small toys and something. And bottom we do have two drawers. Then again with the half blue and half white combination this is. And on the left hand side we do have a nice study table along with a window seating also. Again she can just play around and she can store her books, she can store her toys again below. So it is a simple one with a small single bed. So this bed is actually their existing bed. We do have an existing bed which we have just painted to match with our theme and things. Then fall ceiling is again, it is a simple one. So that's about this our Arna's bedroom.